with the shoulder. I've been on the road, life been taking toll. I just wanna roam, I've been running from them bad days, trying to take it slower.
Hey bougie babes, welcome or welcome back. If you don't know who I am, my name is Reesie. This is my beauty channel where we come to slay, especially on a budget. And if you're new, don't forget to hit that red button down below and turn it on your post notifications. As you can tell, I'm rocking this very loose wave hair texture. This hair is brought to you by Arabella Hair Company, so I'm gonna show you what's inside the box, how I customize and install this unit. So if that's something you're interested in, keep on watching. Bye.
Lace, do you think you overdid it with our hair? Nope. I sure don't. Because we going to Beverly Hills. Now, if I'm going to do good at that audition, we got to look like stars.
So in this bag, I received a wig cap, eyelashes, elastic band, and some more other goodies. This unit is a 28-inch loose wave 13x4 lace frontal unit. I believe she's 180% density. She has adjustable straps and combs, and she is also transparent lace. So as you can see, we are going to bleach the knots. I'm taking quick glue powder, 50 volume developer, and a drop of that rich adore eggplant color. The reason why I add that purple is just to tone the knots. That's why. That's the only reason. We're going to spray that hairline, comb that hairline back, make sure we're avoiding over bleaching, but unfortunately I did over bleach the knots, you guys. I got distracted and I over bleached this unit, but that's okay because it's a black unit, so it's easy to fix with some just additional hair dye. So the next day I plucked this unit. I like to pluck behind the hairline, so I parted out the baby hairs or a layer or a part. I don't even know what I'm trying to say, y'all, but you can see on the video that I'm plucking behind the hairline, and I do pluck a lot, so you guys, with this hair. I probably shouldn't have, because I didn't realize I over bleached the unit until like literally when I'm trying to apply this unit. But yeah, I did. So just be careful, y'all. Every wig that I do does not turn out perfect. There's some days where I had bad hair days. Like this one was kind of like a bad hair day for me, but I was like, you know what, I'm gonna thug it out, show you guys that everything ain't gonna come out perfect. It does still look really good, I'm not gonna lie, but in real life I just was not super confident in wearing this wig like I usually do. So I think it's because, you know, the move and all that, and just trying to finish my job before the move. So there's some clips of me in the old house, and then there's some clips of me in the new house. So it's just a lot going on, and got distracted, and it's not my best to work, and you know, be beating myself up a little bit. So that's me and my little rant while I'm, you know, plucking this unit. After that, this unit was so easy to customize, you guys, because all I did was pluck the unit, and then after plucking, I went ahead and added some water. I added some Garnier Fructis Moroccan Sleek Shine Oil that you can get from your local Walmart or your local Target. I'll link that below, but it's some Garnier Fructis. It's everywhere, you guys. I'm going to show you in the next clips that this is the hair texture when it's dry. It's gorgeous. And then we're going to add that water. This silk, or the spray misting bottle, it's everything. I love it. I don't have to continue to, you know, use my hand to keep spraying it. I could just spray it once and it just keeps going. So I love that for us. And then this is like literally 3 weeks later when I moved into my apartment. But here I am applying some castor oil and also Shine and Jam to just hold my hair back while I apply a wig cap. I totally forgot. Oh yeah, there we go. We applied the wig cap, and then we're going to apply the wig after. This is going to be just a quick wig install tutorial. I didn't have this wig on for too long, just because I did not like how I installed it, and I had to take it off and reinstall it. So I'm glad that I used regular even spray to apply my unit. As you can see, I'm showing you the wig was very small on my head. I forgot to tell you guys, it was super small, so definitely watch out for that. I do highly suggest you size up if you have like a medium to large head, because this one was way too small. I had to cut the lace from the wig cap just so it can fit, and it was still actually too small. And I think that kind of played a reason why I had to take the wig off and reinstall it multiple times. So that's just a con that I had with this unit. And yeah, that's basically it with my con. The hair was gorgeous. The quality to me was okay, but I loved the texture. Like, I love this type of texture, the loose wave, the water wave. It just makes me feel like Little Mermaid. As you can see on the screen that I over bleached the knots. Like, look at how wide that part is. It's pretty big. So I'm taking that Kiss Conceal. I don't know if it's the Kiss Conceal or Kiss Root Touch Up. I'll have it linked below. But I'm just gonna close that part up a little bit, make it a little bit more smaller, and boom. Fixed it real quick, y'all. And I just used the Eben spray to lay this wig down. I didn't do anything like very grand. And then I went ahead and cut the extra lace off using our eyebrow razor. And as you can see, I'm taking some more of that Garnier Fructis Moroccan Sleek and Shine. I think it's perfect for curly units. It just adds shine, reduces frizz. And then we're gonna go ahead and do the baby hairs. I didn't do too much footage of me using the baby hairs because, again, I had to take this wig off, reapply it, add the baby hairs. I was like not having a great hair day this time, but this is just, you know, how I did my baby hairs. I ended up switching like the other side and it coming out really good. So I just highly suggest you guys to size up, and it's okay to have bad hair days. This is a lesson learned. It was a very gloomy, rainy day, and I was going to a funeral, so it was just very like kind of sad for me today doing this. So yeah, but this is the result. I really like how it still came out for that day. I want to thank you so much, Arabella Hair Company, for letting me try out this unit. And don't forget, you guys, to like, comment, subscribe, and share for more videos. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life.